sportsmen and women of Kakungulu Memorial School returning home after emerging second in the National Secondary Schools Championships. A total of 250 schools with over 3,000 teams participated in this year's tournament that was held at Kabalega Senior Secondary School in Masindi. Kakungulu Memorial School fronted 7 teams in this year's tournament, and according to the school's games master Gerard Chirima, they managed to perform well, scooping gold, silver and bronze medals.
First of all, tusobodde okufuna emidaali 5 nga tufunye ya gold 2, bronze 2 n'ogwa silver gumu. Ng'eja gold 2 tugifunye mu hockey w'abalenzi n'ow'abawala, ogwa silver tugufunye mu badminton w'abalenzi, eja bronze 2 tugifunye mu table tennis w'abalenzi n'ow'abawala.
Chirema adds that they are among 5 best Ugandan teams that will represent Uganda in East African School Games due in August.
Team eziqualifying zibadde 5 genda mu East Africa, genda twala team za hockey 2 y'abalenzi n'ey'abawala, za table tennis 2 y'abalenzi n'abawala ne ya badminton team 5.
The head teacher of Wembo Jamil says the teamwork amongst the teachers was the reason behind their success.
N'okuteerabira abayizi baffe abalungi abakiikiridde essomero lyaffe kuba ntukoze bulungi kunkanidde awo ne batutuusa ku kkula lino okuba nti ssaawa zino tuli mu ssanyu era abayisomesa bonna weebali olwaleero tuzze.
Kakungulu Memorial School boasts of 19 girls and 16 boys, all playing in hockey, badminton and table tennis in the National League.